Magandang umaga sa ating lahat. Welcome na naman po tayo sa Pulso YT channel. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy, ay nais ko munang pasalamatan ang Kabayo Integrated School sa napakagandang jacket. Thank you so much, Kabayo teachers. Okay, so this time tapos na tayo sa multiplication table. And since tapos na rin tayo sa multiplying decimals, we will now proceed to dividing decimals. But before we will proceed to dividing decimals, atin munang i-master ang division table. Okay, so I have here some flashcards. Let us see if you can answer the flashcards. Okay, so let's start now in the division. Okay, what is this? 1 divided by 1. It is 1. So take note that any number divided by 1 is equal to that number. So 1 divided by 1 is 1. How about this? 6 divided by 6 is 1. Any number divided by that number, the same number, is equal to 1. So, yun ang pagkakaiba nun, ha? How about this? 2 divided by 1 is 2. O, take note, ang i-divide natin sa 2 ay 1, so the answer is the same number, 2. How about this? 12 divided by 6 is 2. Again, 3 divided by 1 is, you got it, that is 3. So, since 3, you divide by 1, so any number divided by 1 is equal to that number, so that is 3. How about this one? 18 divided by 6, this is 3. Very good. So, there are 3, 6 in 18. So, 4 divided by 1 is, 4 divided by 1 is 4. How about this? 24 divided by 6 is 6. So, how many 6 do we have in 24? There are 4. Okay, so how about this one? 5 divided by 1 is 5. And 30 divided by 6 is 5. So, 30, how many 6 do we have in 30? There are 5. How about this one? 6 divided by 1, 6. And 36 divided by 6 is 6. So, if division is the reverse of multiplication. So, if we are going to multiply the quotient and the divisor, dividend I should say, that will become, the answer is the dividend. So, 6 is the quotient multiplied by 6, the answer is 36. But when you divide it, 36 divided by 6 is 6. Okay, 7 divided by 1 is 7. 42 divided by 6 is 7. But when you multiply the quotient times 6, the answer is 42. Kaya reverse, pabalik. 8 divided by 1 is 8. 48 divided by 6 is 8. 9 divided by 1 is 9. 54 divided by 6 is 9. How about this one? Very easy. 10 divided by 1 is 10. And 60 divided by 6 is 10. But when you multiply the quotient times 6, the product is 60. That is how to check your answer if it is correct. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So take note, if you divide the number by itself, that is equal to 1. Again, the same number with the dividend and the divisor, that will become 7 divided by 7, that will become 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And 21 divided by 7 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. 28 divided by 7 is 4. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 35 divided by 7 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. 42 divided by 7 is 6. You see, a while back is 42 divided by 6, that is 7. But this time, 42 divided by 7 is 6. Pinagpalit lang, pero hindi nagbabago ang sagot. 14 divided by 2 is 7. And 49 divided by 7 is 7. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 56 divided by 7 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 63 divided by 7 is 9. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 70 divided by 7 is 10. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 8 divided by 8 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 16 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 24 divided by 8 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. 32 divided by 8 is 4. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 40 divided by 3 is 5. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 48 divided by 8 is 6. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 56 divided by 8 is 7. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 64 divided by 8 is 8. Then 27 divided by 3 is 9. 72 divided by 8 is 9. 80 divided by 8 is 10. 30 divided by 3 is 10 also. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 9 divided by 9 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 18 divided by 9 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 27 divided by 9 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 45 divided by 9 is 5. 24 divided by 4 is 6. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 28 divided by 4 is 7. 63 divided by 9 is 7. 32 divided by 4 is 8. 72 divided by 9 is 8. 36 divided by 4 is 9. 81 divided by 9 is 9. 90 divided by 9 is 10. 40 divided by 9 is divided by 4 I should say is 10. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 10 divided by 2 is equal to 2. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 20 divided by 10 is equal to 2. 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. Then 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. 40 divided by 10 is equal to divided by 10. 40 divided by 10 is 4. Then 20 divided by 5 is 4. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 90 divided by 10 is 9. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 80 divided by 10 is 8. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 70 divided by 10 is 7. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 60 divided by 10 is 6. And 50 divided by 10 is 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. And the last one is 50 divided by 5 is 50. And 100 divided by 10 is 10. So, always remember that the division is the reverse of multiplication. So, to check your answer in the division, you have to multiply the divisor and the quotient in the division, and the answer, yun yung dividend. Okay, so maraming salamat again sa panonood, at sana ipagpatuloy lang ninyo para mas lalo pong maintindihan, ulit-ulitin nyo para ma-master nyo ang division table. Okay, so bago tayo mag-end, nais ko munang pasalamatan ang aking mga kaibigan, ang aking videographer ngayon, si Madam Eleanor Davis, habang hinihintay namin ang aming mga bisita na magagaling pa sa region. Happy Teacher's Day and happy third day of opening of classes for the school year 2020-2021. Shout out sa mga estudyante naming busy sa pagsasagot ng mga modules. Mamaya, andyan na kami. So, sa mga learners namin, dito sa SDO Nueva Vizcaya, sa Aritao, and dito sa Western Cayapa, sana makatulong ako. And maraming salamat sa mga tumatangkilik sa aking Pulso at YT channel. Sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, kapag red pa lang ito, pakipindot pati yung bell. Para pag ito ay nag-brown na siya, automatic, manonotify kayo sa lahat ng mga i-upload kong video para updated kayo sa mga lessons in mathematics. So once again, good morning and God bless to everyone.